GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 27. The smallest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix 2 minus 2 minus 1 6 respectively are. Four options are given. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this question, if we are given a matrix A whose elements are, let us say, A, B, C and D. So if we want to find the eigenvalues for this matrix, we should find A minus lambda I, where I should be of the same order as A, which would be A, B, C, D minus lambda times of identity matrix, which is 1 0 0 and 1. This would give A minus lambda, D minus lambda, B, C, and once this matrix is found, we find its determinant A minus lambda I and make it equal to 0. The solution of this equation will be our eigenvalues. So if we have two solutions, so we will have two eigenvalues, lambda 1 and lambda 2. In case we need to find the eigenvectors, for that we find the matrix A minus lambda I and take its product with a matrix X and do it as 0, and the matrix X will be our eigenvector. So if we do this corresponding to lambda 1, we will get one eigenvector, that is x1. If we do it corresponding to lambda 2, we will get x2. So whatever lambda we substitute here will give that corresponding eigenvector. So the matrix that is given in this question is, let us say it is A, 2, minus 2, minus 1 and 6. Trying to find the determinant of A minus lambda I and equating it to 0 will give us the eigenvalues. So 2 minus 2 minus 1 6 minus lambda 0 0 and lambda, the determinant of this matrix should be made as 0, which would be 2 minus lambda minus 2 minus 1 and 6 minus lambda equals 0. This would be 2 minus lambda into 6 minus lambda minus 2 equals 0, which is 12 minus 2 lambda minus 6 lambda plus lambda square minus 2 equals 0. This would give lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 10 equals 0. So I don't think we can factorize this using the simple rule, so we will directly use the Sridharacharya's formula, that is minus b plus minus square root of determinant by 2a. So it is minus b plus minus square root of determinant by 2a, which will be minus of minus 8 plus minus root over determinant will be 8 square minus 40 by 2, which will be 4 plus minus, this will be 64 minus 40, that is 24, which will be 2 root 6. So it will be root 6. So first eigenvalue is 4 plus root 6 and the second one is 4 minus root 6. This will be around 1.55 and this will be around 6.45. So the question asks us to find the eigenvector corresponding to the small eigenvalue. So the smaller eigenvalue here is lambda equals 1.55. So we should find A minus lambda I times x equals 0. So we know A, and we know lambda I, that would be 1.5500, 1.55, this whole into, let us say the matrix is x1 x2 equals 0. This will be (0.45 minus 2 minus 1, 4.45 into x1 x2 equals 0. Extending the solution here, so if we take the first equation, it would give 0.45 times x1 minus 2x2 equals 0. So we can get x1 over x2 as 2 by 0.45. So x1 can be written as 2 and 0.45. So the smaller eigenvalue was 1.55 and the corresponding eigenvector is 2.45. So the smallest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector were found, which was 1.55 and 2 and 0.45. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.